Engulfed in a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and unmatched culinary delights, Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. This city, teeming with life and energy, is an eclectic fusion of the old and the new, a place where the traditional and the modern coexist in harmonious symphony. Its charm is found in its perfect balance between its tranquil canals and bustling streets, as well as in the seamless blend of exotic allure and familiar warmth. Venturing into this dynamic city, you'd find yourself immersed in a captivating whirlwind of experiences. From navigating through the city's bustling streets, filled to the brim with colourful tuk-tuks, to exploring the tranquil waterways lined with traditional Thai houses, every corner of Bangkok is a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Immerse yourself in the city's rich tapestry of experiences, from the myriad of delectable street food that teases your taste buds, to the awe-inspiring temples that leave you spellbound with their architectural grandeur. The vibrant night markets, with their array of unique and enticing goods, are a shopper's paradise, while the serene parks offer a tranquil retreat amidst the bustling city life. Amidst all this, the city's well-connected metro and SkyTrain networks ensure a seamless experience as you navigate through the city, making it easy for visitors to truly explore and soak in the diverse cultural and historical experiences that Bangkok has to offer. The city's allure lies in its ability to blend the traditional with the modern, the tranquil with the bustling, and the exotic with the familiar. Upon arrival in this dynamic city, the first thing that strikes you is its bustling energy. From the busy streets filled with colourful tuk-tuks to the tranquil canals lined with traditional Thai houses, Bangkok is a city of contrasts. The city's well-connected metro and SkyTrain networks make it easy for visitors to navigate and explore. The culinary scene in Bangkok is a gastronomic delight. Sitting at the heart of Thailand, this bustling city is a hotbed for food lovers around the globe. It's an explosion of flavours, a true feast for your senses. Bangkok is famous for its vibrant and exciting street food culture. As you walk through the labyrinthine streets, the air fills up with an irresistible aroma that is hard to ignore. The scent of pad thai being stir-fried on a tiny cart at a street corner, the sizzle of meats on open grills, and the sight of vendors swiftly crafting culinary masterpieces, it's a spectacle you wouldn't want to miss. Next on the list is the sweet taste of mango sticky rice, a dessert that perfectly captures the essence of Thailand's sweet and salty culinary philosophy. This traditional dessert is a must-try for anyone visiting the city. The lusciously ripe mango slices paired with glutinous rice and drizzled with creamy coconut milk is nothing less than perfection. Apart from the street vendors, Bangkok also boasts a vibrant restaurant scene. Offering options that cater to every pocket, these establishments range from affordable local eateries, serving Thai staples, to high-end dining venues that offer an exquisite culinary experience. Here you can choose from a plethora of dishes, fashioned from the freshest of ingredients and presented in the most artistic ways. But the one dish you shouldn't leave without trying is the Tom Yum Goong. This hot and sour shrimp soup, a staple in Thai cuisine, is as exotic as it sounds. With its robust flavors and aromatic herbs, it truly embodies the spirit of Thai cuisine. Don't miss out on trying the Tom Yum Goong, a hot and sour shrimp soup that is a staple in Thai cuisine. As the sun sets, Bangkok transforms into a city of lights, casting an enchanting veil of illumination that is as captivating as it is stunning. The cityscape, kissed by the dwindling sunlight, etches a breathtaking silhouette against the twilight, beckoning the curious and the adventurous alike. It's a transition that is as spellbinding as it is swift. From the hustle and bustle of the day, the city gracefully metamorphoses into a hub of nocturnal activities. The nightlife in Bangkok is an extravagant fusion of vibrancy and diversity. It is an enthralling blend of sights, sounds, and experiences unique to each observer and participant. The city pulsates with an electric that sparks to life, igniting the night in a blaze of radiant vitality. From the high-end, swanky rooftop bars offering panoramic views of the glittering cityscape, to the cozy, intimate jazz clubs playing soothing tunes that flow like a gentle river through the quiet night, there is a multitude of experiences waiting to be discovered. Each corner of the city holds promise, every street is a new adventure, brimming with potential and uncharted excitement. The lively street markets illuminated by a string of lights, the aromatic food stalls bustling with locals and tourists, the sound of laughter and music mingling in the cool night air, all contribute to this unforgettable nightscape. Dive bars, dance clubs and elegant lounges coexist, offering a range of experiences that cater to different tastes and preferences. With such a vast array of options, there truly is something for everyone. Whether you're a party enthusiast, a foodie, a music lover or a quiet observer, feel the pulse of Bangkok's nightlife and immerse yourself in its radiant charm. But amidst all this, remember to enjoy responsibly and respect the local customs and laws. A visit to Bangkok would be incomplete without exploring its rich history and culture. This vibrant city, the capital of Thailand, is a true blend of the ancient and the modern. Its glittering skyscrapers coexist harmoniously with centuries-old temples and shrines, reflecting a rich tapestry of history, tradition, and cultural heritage. Among its many historical attractions, the Grand Palace, a complex of majestic buildings, stands out as the epitome of architectural grandeur. This has been the official residence of the Kings of Siam since 1782, and it fascinates visitors with its intricate designs and impeccable craftsmanship. It is a living testament to the opulence and grandeur of a bygone era. Equally riveting is Wat Arun, another iconic landmark known as the Temple of Dawn. This temple, adorned with a stunning mosaic of colored glass and Chinese porcelain, is best viewed at sunrise or sunset when it's beautifully lit up, creating a surreal spectacle of shimmering lights. Yet the charm of Bangkok is not confined to its man-made marvels. The city's bustling markets, each with its own unique character, offer a shopping experience like no other. For instance, the Chatuchak Weekend Market, a sprawling bazaar of over 8,000 stalls, is a paradise for shopaholics. Additionally, traditional floating markets, where vendors sell fresh produce from their boats, add a unique dimension to this shopping haven. Despite its rapid urbanization, Bangkok continues to preserve its past, effortlessly merging the old with the new. The bustling markets, like the Chatuchak Weekend Market or the floating markets, offer a unique shopping experience. Choosing the right accommodation in Bangkok depends on your budget and preferences. The city, beaming with vibrancy and life, is known to have a multitude of options, catering to all sorts of travelers. This variety in lodging is also reflective of the city's diverse culture and rich history. In one corner, you can find luxury hotels that scream elegance and opulence. These places have world-class amenities that are designed to provide an unparalleled comfort and relaxation. They also offer stunning views of the cityscape, and some even have renowned chefs who whip up gastronomic masterpieces. These places are perfect for those who value comfort and luxury, and are willing to splurge a bit on their trip. On the flip side, there are also budget-friendly hostels and guest houses dotting the city. These places provide basic amenities, but are also comfortable, clean and safe. What's more, staying in these places allows you to experience the city's local life more intimately. They're often located in vibrant neighborhoods, close to local markets and street food vendors, giving you a taste of the daily life of the locals. Moreover, the city also offers a variety of mid-range options. These are hotels, guest houses and serviced apartments that strike a balance between comfort and cost. These places often have decent facilities and are located in convenient areas, allowing you easy access to various attractions. Regardless of the option you choose, one important thing to consider is the place's proximity to public transportation. It's advisable to choose a place that's close to public transportation for ease of travel. This not only saves you time, but also allows you to explore more of what the city has to offer. In conclusion, Bangkok is a city of contrasts, where every turn offers a new discovery. This capital city of Thailand is an amalgamation of the old and the new, where ancient temples stand next to towering skyscrapers. The city's landscape is a testament to its rich history and progressive future. This bustling metropolis beckons travelers from around the world with its rich tapestry of experiences. Bangkok's culinary scene is a delight for food lovers. Whether it's street food stalls serving pad thai and somtam or fine dining restaurants offering a gourmet fusion of Eastern and Western cuisines, Bangkok's food scene is a foodie's paradise. The vibrant nightlife, filled with pulsating clubs, rooftop bars and tranquil jazz lounges, is another key highlight this city. Amidst the urban hustle and bustle, Bangkok's historic landmarks stand as silent witnesses to its glorious past. From the grandeur of the Grand Palace to the serene beauty of Wat Arun, these sites offer a glimpse into the city's rich heritage. For accommodation, visitors have of options, from luxury resorts with lavish amenities to budget hostels offering a cozy stay. Bangkok caters to a wide range of preferences and budgets. When you visit Bangkok, every day turns into an exploration or a hangover. From its crowded markets to its peaceful parks, from its high-end malls to its quaint local shops, every aspect of the city offers something new to discover. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey of discovery in this enchanting city, where every moment is a memory in the making. As we bid farewell to the mystical city of Bangkok, we hope that this guide has given you a glimpse into the city's vibrant culture, tantalizing cuisine, and fascinating history. This city is a canvas of experiences waiting for you to paint your own unique story. Remember, the charm of Bangkok lies in its diversity, and there's always more to discover. So whether you're planning your first visit or returning for another adventure, Bangkok promises to captivate and inspire at every turn. If you've enjoyed this journey through the City of Angels, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this guide with your fellow travelers. We'd love to hear your own Bangkok stories in the comments section below. Finally, wherever your travels may take you, we wish you memorable and safe travels. Until next time, Sawasdee Krub. That's goodbye in Thai, but we hope it's just a see you again on our next virtual tour.